Hey guys, so this is a mock-up. As you can see, she's mocked up like so. She's clamped on like that. Okay, and looks really nice. Right now, the owner wants it to be 15 degrees. Originally he wanted 20 degrees, but I told him 20 degrees might be a little bit too steep. So we mocked it up. He says, okay, about 15 degrees good, but this is the best I could do. This is about 17 degrees. Okay, so it still looks nice. Originally I set this up at 15 degrees, but after welding it, it's 17 degrees. So that's within that spec, between 15 and 20, so it should be okay. So too, this is yours. She's coming out really nice. Let me finalize the weld on the Rocksliders, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind down the paint underneath the frame here, and then I'm going to weld her on. Okay. Alright guys, so she's done. There you go. We have the dimple slats. That is phased up for traction. Okay. And that's how she looks like. Again, it's very redundant, but bottom is welded on. Okay. The other side as well. Here. That's how she looks like. Alright, so my buddy says he'll paint it himself, so that's why I left it like that. There you go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a maiden test. Okay, so here we go. Maiden test. Again, like always, this block is set right here, okay, on the outer rail. Okay, we're gonna do this until this thing can spin by itself freely. Okay, we're imitating a high lift jack. Oh, okay, it's off. There you is. All right. So let's open the door. There you go. We have 4-finger space. And there's no door here. So pretty stout, really nice, really strong. That's that, guys.
Oh, Giêsu nước khuya cụ bao tranh tia tao nơi kề yo tao chúa ya